The historic fortified residence, Kasbah Amridil, is located in Skoura, Morocco. The village began here in the 17th century, with the Kasbah completed in the 19th century. Today it's restored as a museum showcasing the architecture, artifacts, and the way of life. The spaces are arranged around a central courtyard. Walls are constructed of rammed earth and adobe bricks. Animals were kept on the ground level, with a kitchen, living, and sleeping areas above. Enjoy a traditional Moroccan meal at the restaurant next door and stop here on your travels through Morocco.